Oh my god, I'm so excited. I don't know why. So, welcome back guys. Since I bought this car, I've been missing the fan to the coolant, so I have bought this one. It's a cheap one, but I don't know if it's good enough. So I also have this used one from a Volvo that is, I don't know, it's looking good. Like, tested both of them, and this one has more RPM. So it's a little bit better, but I don't know if I can fit this inside of here. I don't know about the size of this one, but maybe I can cut this and I can say this. I rather have this one than this one because I don't know. I heard that these engines needs a lot of air in this coolant, so that's why I think I will. If I can fit this one, I will go for that one. Another thing is that I think I might can use that connection for the fan, well, for the electric fan. So I will try to use there are two pluses, but I think I only need one of them, and then I can put it in here and like connect it. So first I will try this one. Let's see. This one actually fits perfectly. Wow. But there's still some space here that I could use, but the other one has the plastic, so maybe I could use the plastic so it would have a better flow. I don't know, let's see. Okay. It's too big this way, but what about... Okay, I have to measure this. Damn, boy! I think it's too big. Damn! What can we do? What can we do? Oh. Okay, I think I will go with this one, or I have to. But I actually don't know if it's enough with this, because there are still some gaps left and right, so I don't know, maybe I just have to try, I don't know. Have to go this way, I think. Well, that's settled. And I have bought this starter kit something. How the beat do you do this? So I found out that I need to do it like this, from this end. From the other end I have to use these, like this, if it makes any sense. So it's like a zip tie, kind of. So I will try to put it on right now. Okay, so now it's done, like the fitment, so now I only need to figure this electric things out. You can see how it looks. It looks pretty decent. Now I only have to, as I said, do the electric things. So let me show you guys. I did put this ground to ground, and this is the plus. So how this is working is like this, or how I think. I try to measure it. So this is a plus and this is a plus. So when it's get hot, there should be like a thing that touches this, and then this should also become a plus. When the engine gets hot, it will give this a signal to, yeah, give this a +2, then it should work. But just to test if my fan works, we can try to put this here and just to see if it works. So if we do like this, yeah, it works perfect. I will try to get this engine hot and then put this here after and see if it works. And just try to take a 1 minute drive or 2, 5, I don't know, and try to make this engine hot so we can see if this is getting the plus signals, and we can, yeah, then we will try to see if it works. I hope so. I'm actually pretty excited. I haven't drove this like since I bought this, so it's like, no, still no battery. Damn. Ah, 2 sec. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I don't know why. Yeah, well, maybe because I haven't drove it for a long time. It still doesn't feel like it's my car yet. Yeah. But there's like some, okay, I can hear many different strange noises that I have to like change. All the arms I bought, I have to change it because right now I can hear the wheels just like, yeah, it's so loose. I really have to change those lower arms, upper arms and everything, bushings and stuff like that. Whoa, holy crap. And it's so hard to drive, I don't know why. Oh my god, the arms and the bushings, shit. I really need to change, but it just like, it feels so strange to drive this thing. But wow, it sounds good. I just keep wanting to drive it, so now I really want to make this thing ready and just to drive it all the time. Wow. Damn, boy. But I really want to get the engine warm so I can try to see if the thermostat, or how you say it, if it's giving a plus signal. So you can see it's not getting, it's like in the middle, it's not getting warm enough. You can see here that it's still not, yeah, it's not, there's no rest. I will try to figure this out, but for now it doesn't work. But I will try to figure something out. Okay guys, it's actually working. The connection was a little bit loose, so now it's working again. Wow, so good. And it stopped like 1 minute ago because it was getting the temperature. Now it's stopped again because now the temperature is low again. Wow, so that works, man. So what's up guys, this is the very next day. So to summarize what I did yesterday, I put this on and I tested the sensor if it worked, and it's actually worked. So today I only need to put these he/she plugs to the minus and the plus wire, and it just wired it up. So this is it. I am done with the wiring, and this is good until I will make it better for the next time. Now that should work. The next thing I need to do is to change all the control arms, like upper, lower, and bushing and stuff like that, because as I mentioned yesterday when I drove it, it's making a lot of noise, so I can't drive it like this. So I have to change that before I can put the plates on. So see you next time, and bye.